speak about the most controversial topic of Pakistan. It is a misfortune of the country. We have not decided yet what language, what mode of communication should be used in this country. We have been debating for long that we should speak English or not. This is such a silly topic, a misfortunately. I have to represent this silly topic. When India made the official language to the English, we were still thinking to make it or not. When Sir Syed Ahmad Khan clearly mentioned if you want to progress in Pakistan, if you want to see developed Muslims, if you want to get jobs, if you want to be successful in any field of the world, even in Hindustan on this side, you have to learn English language. But misfortunately, he was given the title of prophet just because of the language, because he represents the truth. The person who told us he was told he is a liar, and he is saying to go in the land, better language in English language. But later on, it was 100% proved. India has got right now 78% education ratio. We are in Pakistan still on 48% education ratio. China has got more institutes than any other country of the world. And all European countries, they are learning English language. Even Belgium, UK, Australia, Canada, all the most progressive countries of the world, their mode of language is English language. So why are we not afraid of that? The one question from you. Because you are afraid of losing your culture. What is the definition of culture? I want to ask this question from you. The culture is what your customs are in that. The culture is what your dresses are in that. The culture is what your food is in that. What food you are eating. What kind of food is prepared in your home. Is it Western food? Is it international or even the Indian food? The style you cook it. It is. What dresses you wear. The dress which you wear in the pants, the shirt. Which dresses are these? Are these, this is from Arabic culture or this is the Pakistani culture? What customs you are adopting in your marriages these days? I want to ask you, it is your own culture, it is a civilization of your own civilization, or it is from Indian civilization, it is from Harappa civilization? No, it is an English civilization. In everything you adopt your own thing. But when the issue of learning comes, no English. Why no English? Why no English? I have answered for the question. The Constitution of 1956 comes and it says English will be soon replaced by the Urdu language. But English still exists. The Constitution of 1962 clearly says that English will be soon replaced by the Urdu language. But English still exists. The Constitution of 1973 again clearly mentions that Urdu will be soon replaced by the English language. But English still exists. In 2008, English is being spoken in the Pope and corner of the Pakistan. Why? I have a very answer for this question. Every constitution was saying English should be replaced. There should not be English more. And every constitution of Pakistan was written in English language. Why? Every constitution was written in English and they were claiming there should not be English more. What does this say? Are they making us fools? I have one request to all the politicians, all their leaders, and all those who oppose English language. You take English language from Cambridge course, you take English language from a school course, you take English language from college courses, you take English language from university courses, you take English language from Public Service Commission, you take English language from government jobs, you take English language from official language of Pakistan. If you can't do these things, please do not say again that English is not important. English is the most important thing in the world. And you have to